and when you feel safe, I would like you to park up on the left, please. When I ask you to pull over to the left, remember when we have to ask you for the sign nozzle tweezer?
Oh, yeah.
So as you were coming there, so just before you, there was a silver car there who recently just parked up there on the left. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you gone past this and you pull over to the left. Everything was good. Your mirrors, signal is good. You went slightly closer
What, to the road or to the curb?
to the car.
Oh, to the curb when I was pulling in.
Not to the curb. So
to the car, sorry.
yeah, so this is a car
okay.
parked here. Instead of maintaining a 1 meter and then gone in, you went slightly less than a meter.
Oh, okay.
The reason why you kind of get away with it, because you were going slowly.
Okay.
So I'm kind of giving you benefit of doubt. If you'd been going faster in that pace, that would definitely be a serious fault. So what happened there, as you're coming down, you locked your eyes on that target where you
Yeah.
wanna pull in, but you forgot that there was a parked car over there.
Yeah.
Now, because you were going slowly, it wasn't that close that it was any risk involved. It wasn't any risk involved, but what if it would have been a bit more close? It would have been a serious fault,
Yeah.
though.
So you wait till you completely pass the car before.
That's
Turn
better,
on.
isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
because you don't want what. So, what is the risk if you get this close to this car, even though you're parking? What is the risk involved there? What do you think?
Is it the back of the car might hit the car or anybody coming out? I can't see properly.
From this parked car,
Yeah.
what about anything else can you think of?
No.
What if he's opened the gate and the door is last minute? Then what?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Or his passenger opened the door? Then what?
Yeah.
Yeah, without looking in the mirror, then you're gonna straight into this
Mhm.
door. That's why we maintain how much space.
1 meter.
So if they do open the door, at least it's not gonna hit us.
Mhm.
Okay, so just
Yeah.
this is advice for you.